Quench your thirst for wellness. An introduction. Are you feeling tired and sluggish? Do you find it hard to keep your energy levels up throughout the day? Do you struggle to stay hydrated throughout the day? You're not alone. Many people face this issue daily, and it can be quite challenging to overcome. These common health challenges affect a large number of individuals, making it difficult to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. But what if I told you there's a simple, refreshing solution? A solution that is not only easy to incorporate into your daily routine, but also incredibly beneficial for your overall health. One that not only quenches your thirst, but also nourishes your body from within? Imagine feeling revitalized and hydrated with every sip. Let me introduce you to the power of cucumber juice. This natural elixir is packed with essential nutrients and hydration benefits. Yes, you read that right. Cucumber juice is not just a trendy drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. This humble vegetable, often relegated to salads and spa treatments, packs a powerful punch when it comes to your health. It's time to give cucumbers the recognition they deserve. In this essay, we'll dive deep into the science-backed benefits of cucumber juice and why it deserves a spot in your daily routine. From hydration to essential vitamins, cucumber juice has it all. Get ready to discover a natural and delicious way to revitalize your health and boost your well-being. Embrace the refreshing power of cucumber juice and transform your daily hydration habits. The hidden epidemic: dehydration and nutrient deficiencies. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our basic needs. We often forget to drink enough water, leading to dehydration. Symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and dizziness are common signs. But did you know that dehydration can also impact your mood, concentration, and overall energy levels? Beyond dehydration, many of us struggle to consume enough fruits and vegetables. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies, further compromising our health. Our bodies need essential vitamins and minerals to function optimally. Without them, we become more susceptible to illness and chronic diseases. Cucumber juice to the rescue. A natural hydrator and nutrient powerhouse. Here's where cucumber juice comes in. It's not just a drink. It's a powerhouse of hydration and nutrients. Cucumbers are made up of mostly water, making them incredibly hydrating. In fact, they are composed of about 95% water, which is higher than most fruits and vegetables. A glass of cucumber juice can quickly replenish your fluids and electrolytes, effectively combating dehydration. But that's not all. It also helps in cooling down your body temperature, especially after a strenuous workout. Cucumbers are also surprisingly rich in essential nutrients. They contain vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin C, and several B vitamins, along with minerals such as potassium and magnesium. This makes cucumber juice a natural multivitamin, providing your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive. It's like drinking a salad, but in a more refreshing and convenient form. Think of cucumber juice as a refreshing and convenient way to sneak in more hydration and nutrients throughout your day. It's perfect for those who are always on the go. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, a glass of cucumber juice is an easy and delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. So next time you need a quick pick-me-up, reach for cucumber juice. Section 4. Unpacking the goodness. Key nutrients and their benefits. Let's take a closer look at the specific nutrients found in cucumber juice and their remarkable benefits. Cucumbers are an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. They also contain vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against cell damage. Furthermore, cucumber juice is rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. These minerals are essential for maintaining proper fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle health. They also contribute to regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. Section 5. A cucumber a day. Long-term health benefits. Incorporating cucumber juice into your daily routine can have significant long-term health benefits. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cucumber juice can help lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. The high antioxidant content in cucumbers may also protect against certain types of cancer. Moreover, the silica in cucumber juice promotes collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Regular consumption can contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. Section 6. Science backs it up. Studies on cucumber juice. Don't just take my word for it. Numerous scientific studies support the health benefits of cucumber juice. One study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that cucumber extract possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that cucumber juice consumption significantly reduced blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. These studies provide compelling evidence for the potential of cucumber juice as a natural therapeutic agent. Section 7. Real people, real results. Success stories with cucumber juice. Discover how this refreshing drink has changed lives. Beyond the science, countless individuals have experienced remarkable health transformations by incorporating cucumber juice into their daily routines. Take Sarah, for example. She struggled with digestive issues for years, feeling discomfort and irregularity that affected her daily life. After incorporating a daily glass of cucumber juice into her routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her digestion and regularity, feeling lighter and more energetic. Then there's John, who battled with high blood pressure, a condition that caused him constant worry and stress. After consistently drinking cucumber juice for a few weeks, he saw a noticeable reduction in his blood pressure readings, bringing him peace of mind and better health. These real-life success stories are a testament to the transformative power of this simple yet potent beverage. Cucumber juice has truly made a difference in their lives, and it could in yours too. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your favorite way to enjoy cucumber. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. At Vitality, Health Wellbeing KI9KC.